Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are using a regular USB or Bluetooth mouse with your Mac, you have probably noticed that scrolling does not feel as smooth as it does with Apple's Magic Mouse or trackpad. In this video, I will show you how to download, install and set up Mos, a completely free app that adds smooth scrolling and better mouse wheel behavior on macOS. Let's get started. First, let's know what is Mos. Mos is a lightweight and free macOS application designed to improve scrolling for external mouse. It enables smooth scrolling, customizable scroll speed, and independent scrolling settings without affecting your trackpad. It's perfect if you use a Logitech, Dell, HP, Razer, or any other third-party mouse with your Mac. Now let's download Mos. First, choose your preferred browser and search for Mos for Mac, then press enter. Now you can see here the official website of Mos. Now simply click on it. Now you can see here the download button. Simply click on the download button. Then click on allow. As you can see, download is starting. Let the download be done first. Then we will install Mos. As you can see, it is downloaded successfully. Simply double click on it. Now it is asking for the permission. Click on open. You can see here on the top menu bar the app logo. Simply click on it. Then click on preferences. That's the setting. Now let's configure. Okay, just click on scrolling. Now just enable smooth scrolling. As you can see here, enable it. It is already enabled. Adjust the scrolling speed from here until it feels comfortable. You can also fine tune the animation duration for even smoother scrolling. Okay, one great feature is that Mos only affects your external mouse, so your MacBook's trackpad behavior stays exactly the same. Okay, now you can see here the other category buttons. From here you can customize mouse button to enhance your experience. Now you can see your application. From here you can customize individual settings for each app. Okay, just manually select from Finder. Okay, let's suppose I want this app to manually. Just click on open. Now you can see it is added. Now you can see your updates. From here you can see the latest updates of this app and the last about section of this app. Things to keep in mind: if scrolling does not work immediately, make sure accessibility permission is enabled. For that, you have to go on Apple menu. Simply close this first, then go on system preferences. Now you can see here security and privacy. Click on it. Now you can see here accessibility on the privacy category. Under accessibility, you can see here the application is ticked. If your case it is not ticked, simply click on the lock, provide your Mac password, then just check this box and that's it. Close your app and restart it. And that's how you can install and use Mos on your Mac to get much smoother scrolling with any external mouse. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to How to Tech Hub for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.